What is up, everybody? So real quick, I wanted to do this video. Even though I didn't get any video footage, I took a couple pictures and it made me think I could make this video to possibly help some people. So I had this 2014 Chevy Cruze, had this really weird problem where the ignition rail coil would get really hot on number one and just melt. Now, I found this to be very weird. I didn't know why it happened twice with two new coils. The first time we thought it was, a bad coil. Then after the second time, we're like, yeah, there's definitely something going on. So I did a bunch of research and basically found out that this is the thermostat, the connector right on top. I think it's the coolant temp sensor or something similar. But basically, take that off and look down in there and you're going to see coolant. Now, the reason why this happens is when people replace the original thermostat, they go and buy the Motorrad one from AutoZone or wherever. And this is a faulty part, because this is what happens. It allows coolant into the connector and then or into the sensor, and then goes into the connector and shorts out something down the line. So what you need to do is go in here, clean up the connector really well, blow it out, spray some electronic cleaner, get it really dry, have an actual blowgun there and blow it out. And then you're going to need to replace that entire thermostat housing assembly with an OEM one. Just go ahead, don't even mess around. It's like 60 to 100 bucks at the dealership. Go ahead and get that and replace it. Make sure everything's good and clean. Use dielectric grease on the new one. Fill it up. Make sure all your plugs and everything are good. Just go ahead and check your wires too. Make sure nothing didn't burn out or get shorted, which hopefully they didn't. But do that. Clear all your codes and then run your car, and I guarantee it'll help fix it. It did for mine, at least. As soon as I cleaned out this plug, put on the new housing, and cleared everything, the car ran great again. The new ignition coil wasn't burning up on number one. It was awesome. So I'm really glad that I figured out this issue, and I hope that I could help you guys figure out this issue too. Please like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you in some way. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace out.